Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a pull request in GitHub. To open a pull request in GitHub, start by navigating to the repository where your branch exists. Make sure that you push your changes to your feature branch, or if there are other people that are working on their own branches and they can request a pull request. On the repo page, click the pull request tab at the top. Then select New Pull Request. In the comparison selector, choose the branch you want to merge from. Typically, your feature branch, the bug fix branch, or any other branch that you usually add in your new implementations that need approval before sending over to the main branch. And ensure it's being merged into the correct base branch like the main one. GitHub will show a summary of all the changes and highlight the differences in the file. If you click Pull Request, it's going to expand even further, then lets you add a title and a clear description explaining what the pull request changes and why. Once you're done, click Create Pull Request. Your PR or pull request is now open and ready for review by collaborators. They can continue to push commits to your branch, and the pull request will update automatically. And that's how to open a pull request in GitHub.